If you're considering Churchteams for your church management needs, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making the decision. Whether you're comparing it to other church management software or just starting your search, stick around until the end, because we'll also share an alternative that you can try for free. First off, Churchteams offers a simple interface, making it easy to set up and navigate. While it's not as flashy as some competitors, like Planning Center, it's highly functional and designed for churches that prioritize efficiency without a steep learning curve. Next thing to know is that Churchteams offers a broad range of features. You get tools for member management, event scheduling, and donation tracking. While other platforms might separate these into different products, Churchteams combines them in one place, which can save you money and simplify the experience. The third thing is pricing. Churchteams is affordable compared to others, like Breeze or Church Community Builder, which offers similar features, but at higher rates. Churchteams is a good fit for smaller to mid-sized churches on a budget. However, it does have a limited free version, which might not be enough for churches looking for more advanced functionality. The fourth thing you should be aware of is that Churchteams is very strong on communication tools. With mass email and text messaging capabilities, it stands out from competitors like Elvanto, which requires third-party integrations for these features. Churchteams allows you to stay connected with your congregation more effectively. The fifth thing to note is that the reporting functionality is simple but effective. It's not as advanced as some competitors like ACS Technologies, which offers highly detailed reports, but it covers the basics. If you need a system that gives you everything from attendance reports to donation statements, Churchteams does a solid job. Next thing is the mobile app. Churchteams offers an app that is intuitive and easy to use for both staff and church members. It's a bit behind in design when compared to apps from platforms like Tithe.ly, but it gets the job done, allowing members to check in for events and access giving options with ease. The seventh thing to know is about integration. Churchteams integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks and Zoom, but it's not as expansive in its integrations as some alternatives. If you rely heavily on integrations, you might find platforms like Planning Center or Elvanto more flexible in that area. The eighth thing is the member check-in feature. Churchteams provides a secure and efficient way for families to check in their kids and track attendance. While it's not as customizable as some of its competitors, it works well for most churches. The ninth thing to consider is that Churchteams offers solid support, including live chat, email, and phone assistance. However, some users have reported that their response times can be slower compared to competitors like Breeze, which is known for quick support. The 10th thing is the customization options. Churchteams allows you to create custom fields, forms, and reports, but the level of customization isn't as deep as some other platforms like Church Community Builder. This is something to think about if you have very specific needs for your church management. The 11th thing is security. Churchteams offers industry-standard security measures, including encryption for your data, but it doesn't have the same advanced features as platforms like ACS Technologies, which is known for its robust security protocols, especially for larger organizations. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Churchteams excels at keeping things simple. If you're a church looking for an easy-to-use, no-frills option that provides the essentials, this is a great choice. However, if you're looking for a more feature-rich solution with more customization, integrations, and advanced reporting, it's worth checking out our recommended alternative that you can try for free. In conclusion, Churchteams is a solid option for churches looking for simplicity and affordability, but depending on your needs, there might be a better solution out there. Make sure to check out our recommended software, which you can try risk-free.